Assalamu alaikum, my dear little students. How are you all? I hope now the students are good. So class 4, it's your English lecture and it's Thursday, 10th December, and today we are going to do the words meaning of the chapter 7, the Abraham Prize. Okay, so these words meaning you have to do on your sheets and you have to send it to me on your days which is one day, and I will get it checked for you. So these are some words meaning and you have to find them from your dictionaries like we did in the class. Yes, you have to write the English meanings and then you have to write the Urdu ones. You will write words meaning, then you will write Maini. Okay, the first word for the meaning is remember. Remember means, yes, remember means yaad karna. Next word is crash. Crash means takrana. Then next word is bow, which means jhukna. Next word is cheat. Okay, what is the meaning of cheat? Yes, nakal karna. The next word is patiently, which means sabar se. Okay. Next word is shook, which is the second form of shake. Yes, shook. Shook means yes, sar hilana. आप किसी को हिला के कुछ आंसर कर रहे हैं. It can be in yes or no. So shook means sar hilana. Okay, next word is bite. Okay, bite means dabana. Dabana, katna. So you have to look these meanings and the dictionaries and what will be the mentioned in the dictionaries. You have to write here. Okay, and remember you have to write accordingly with the chapter. आपने देखना है कि जो चैप्टर में जिस तरह जो मतलब है उस वर्ड्स का उससे रिलेटेड ही मीनिंग्स हो आपके, और वो ही आपने उसके मायने लिखने हैं, और एंड देन यू हैव टू राइट द इंग्लिश वंस. So I'm sure you all will find them in the dictionaries. These all will be in the dictionaries. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 words. So find them and then write them in your loose sheets. Okay, then you will give the heading of the word sentences, and there are 4 sentences for your the links. So it's number 1 is pocket. Okay, pocket means you all know jab. Next word is listen, which means sunna. Next word is honest. Honest means imandari. Okay, next word is special. Special means khas. Okay, so these are the 4 sentences, and you have to make 4 sentences, and I hope you all will make very good and very interesting sentences. Okay, so these are the 4 sentences. Do them, and there are some sentences for your homework, and these are from your chapter number 7 also. Chapter 7, Abraham Prize. So on the loose sheet you will write the chapter 7, the Abraham Prize, then you will give the heading of words, meaning, and then Maini. Okay. These are sentences, so you have to make the sentences, these 4 sentences. So first of all you will write the chapter name, then you will give the heading of sentences, word sentences, and then you will start making the sentences. Okay, first sentence is ready, which means tayar hona. Next word is pick. Pick means pakarna. Okay, next word is share. Share means bantna. Next word is prize. What is the meaning of prize? Yes, prize means tofa. Okay, so these are the 4 sentence words for sentences which are from your chapter number 7. So there are 4 sentences, and there are also 4 sentences which I have given you for your C-work, and there are some meanings. So you have to do all these meanings and sentences in the loose sheets, and then you have to submit me on Monday, and I will get it checked. So that's about this lecture. I hope you will find the meanings in your dictionaries, and you will make very good sentences. So that's about this lecture, and in the next lecture we are going to do the exercise of this chapter. Okay, so that's about it. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.